This video documents detail prep for an exterior epoxy quartz coating. Thin mill resinous concrete coatings attain adhesion by absorption. This means anywhere that will be covered by the coating should be clean of all contaminants. Dust, mildew, and surface latents inherent to exterior concrete all need to be removed. A coating cannot attain long-term adhesion if it fails to fully absorb into the concrete's matrix. Prep methods such as these remove the bond-inhibiting compounds that would otherwise lead to premature failure. Areas where there will be no traffic still need this attention to preparation. A blistered or spalled edge is just as likely to get a callback as one that's in the center of a floor. And that's about it. Detail prep for an exterior epoxy quartz coating.